The crypto space is rapidly expanding in several parts of the world. According to a recent survey, millionaires around the globe plan to keep adding crypto investments in 2022. Crypto companies are also working on making elderly people, many of whom are currently heading businesses as CEOs, foray into the crypto space. As cryptocurrencies grow, new acronyms and terms will also keep popping up and may even leave you scratching your head sometimes. Hey guys, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Unfiltered, and this week we will clear the differences between two terms, crypto coins and crypto tokens. So let's begin. अब तक तो आपको क्रिप्टो करेंसीज, ब्लॉकचेन पे बने हुए डिजिटल एसेट्स के बारे में थोड़ी जानकारी तो हो ही गई होगी, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि इनको दो और कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया जाता है? Let's first talk about coins. Coins are the bigger bricks in the crypto pyramid. They are digital assets that have their own dedicated blockchains. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some known examples of crypto coins. Crypto coins can be purchased and used the same way as we use money. These have longer shelf lives and can be swapped with other coins, turning हाई मार्केट वैल्यूज। इनकी सिक्योरिटी के मामले में क्रिप्टो कॉइन्स इंक्रिप्टेड होते हैं और इन्हें ब्लॉकचेन नेटवर्क पर सिक्योर किया जाता है, जिससे जो भी जानकारी है वो सेंडर और रिसीवर के बीच में ही रहती है। सो देन व्हाट आर क्रिप्टो टोकन्स? Crypto tokens are born out of already existing blockchain networks, and that is the main factor that distinguishes them from the coins. Crypto tokens are the subclasses of digital assets like Ether. For instance, is a token born out of the Ethereum blockchain. DAI, Link, and Comp are also crypto tokens built on the Ethereum network. While crypto coins can be used as a replacement for money, crypto tokens can be used for multiple purposes, ranging from buying goods to being used as gas fee and even to activate features on decentralized applications. क्रिप्टो को और विस्तार से समझने के लिए आपके लिए यह भी जानना जरूरी है कि क्रिप्टो कॉइन्स और टोकन्स के बीच में क्या अंतर होता है, जिससे आपको आगे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करने में आसानी हो। What are more use cases of crypto coins that differentiate them from the tokens?
So crypto coins and crypto tokens are distinct digital assets. These terms are often mistakenly used interchangeably, primarily because they're largely similar from the perspective of the end user. However, there's significant technical differences between the two. In fact, crypto coins are essentially the native currency of a particular blockchain and are issued directly by the same. Common examples include Bitcoin and Ether, which are coins native to the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks respectively. Within a particular network, users can send coins to one another. However, these coins cannot be transferred directly across networks. Like crypto coins, tokens can also hold value and be exchanged. However, unlike coins, their behavior is not built into the blockchain software itself. Instead, they are usually built on top of an existing blockchain, often enabling implementation of smart contracts. While tokens get to share the benefits of an existing blockchain, they do so without an independent infrastructure. For example, Polygon, a highly successful Indian cryptocurrency protocol, aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. On the whole, while there's a distinct difference between coins and tokens, their most valuable use cases involve being used in tandem. These can be seen in the context of decentralized financial services, such as enabling cheap and rapid transfer of currency across the world, as well as improving access to credit, especially for unbanked sections of the population. Other popular use cases include asset tokenization, which has been made popular through the rise of NFTs, as well as crypto coins and tokens being looked at as a store of value.
Recently, Ashima Goyal from India's Monetary Policy Committee said crypto assets should be called tokens instead of currencies, and these tokens should be regulated. Goyal told PTI in an interview that crypto assets are neither adequate nor acceptable as payment options. In a respite to Indian investors, Goyal also said that imposing a complete ban on cryptocurrencies in India would be really difficult.
Let's take another look at the other important developments that impacted the crypto space now. With the rising cases of COVID's Omicron variant shadowing the winter cheer, the crypto market remained sluggish due to daily fluctuations. In terms of adoption, the holiday season did get crypto exchanges to open Bitcoin gifting options via their platforms. Options of sending a Bitcoin portion costing as low as $1 to a loved one did create a lot of buzz on Twitter. In India also, exchange CoinSwitch Kuber gifted its users 5 new cryptocurrencies to experiment trading with. Despite some ups and downs, the year 2021 wrapped up as a milestone year for the cryptocurrency sector.
Crypto enthusiasts from around the world stepped into 2022 with positivity, given the consistency that price charts have maintained through the holidays. No cryptocurrency either rose or dipped exponentially. Industry experts are viewing the less volatile market movements as signs of maturity coming to the cryptocurrencies.
While Bitcoin prices kept close to the $50,000 mark, Ether prices kept hovering around $4,000 per token. Despite the festive sentiment around the world, none of the cryptocurrencies managed to make a distinguished impression with major loss or substantial gain.
Even though daily fluctuation left impacts on the crypto price charts, they only affected individual cryptocurrencies marginally.
इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स का भी मानना है कि आगे आने वाले दिनों में भी वॉलेटिलिटी रहने वाली है, जिसका सीधा असर ग्लोबल क्रिप्टो मार्केट पर पड़ सकता है. Even meme-based dog coins like the Shiba Inu and the Dogecoin failed to stir success stories.
Both the competing coins have not witnessed any pumps in weeks, even close to the holiday and New Year festivities.
As a merit point for the SHIB token, however, it did get listed as a trading option on the international exchange Bitstamp. And now we come to another important section in the video, that's tracking the performance of some of the major tokens. This way you get a better idea about which coins to invest in.
If we look at our crypto tracker for the week, we can see that Bitcoin is down by 5.75% and Ethereum is also struggling with a 7.86% drop. Tether has seen a 1.55% rise, while Solana and Cardano continue to struggle with a 10.39 and 7.19% drop respectively.
We have a lot more crypto gyan coming your way in our future episodes, as loads of discussions about regulation policies, NFT and the future of crypto and more are yet to come. That's it for Crypto Unfiltered for this week. If you have any questions around cryptocurrencies or any jargon that you don't understand, send them across to our Twitter and Facebook pages and we'll have an expert answer them for you. This is Cyrus signing off with the promise that I'll be back with more crypto gyan next week. See you soon.